Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado graham. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 pack of graham crackers, and 1/2 cup of chilled all-purpose cream. Ensure your avocados are soft for easy mashing. This simple dessert requires minimal preparation, making it perfect for any occasion. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's prepare the creamy avocado mixture. Start by mashing your ripe avocados until they are completely smooth, with no lumps. Next, pour in the entire can of condensed milk and mix thoroughly. Finally, gently fold in the chilled all-purpose cream. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, consistent, and delightful avocado cream. This forms the heart of our dessert. With your avocado cream ready, it's time to assemble our delicious dessert. In a serving dish, arrange a single layer of graham crackers at the bottom. Then, spread about 1/3 of your avocado mixture evenly over the crackers. Repeat this process, creating alternating layers of graham crackers and avocado cream. Ensure your final layer is the creamy avocado mixture for a smooth top. Almost there. Once your avocado graham is fully assembled, cover the dish tightly with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours. For the best texture and flavor, I recommend chilling it overnight. This allows the graham crackers to soften and the flavors to meld beautifully. When ready, simply scoop and enjoy your refreshing, homemade avocado graham.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.